So welcome back for the second tutorial. So I've shown you how to use a rag. That was this one. Remember, we were trying to figure out and to browse through article. I've also taken advantage of for instance, for the semantic search. So let's say you see this is a semantic search. So let's say you should be able to find out article, and I have implemented into my website. So you see, and you have the same result. So this, how can I transfer this, what I've been working on, and the face index and so on inside my blog. So for the ID, I've created a kind of export. So let's say we're going to run the export. So I don't need this anymore. So I will quit this one. I don't really need this one anymore. And I maybe need this one because I'm going to make the export from there. And then I'm going to need the Docker. So it's running. And you see you have so this is my blog working. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to close that. That was in the previous. And I'm going to, so the plugin that I've used is here, and I've installed it locally. And you have different kind of stuff. I'm going to empty the table. So you see it's empty. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to export the semantic search directly from my blog and from what I've done. So for instance, I can even unplug, I'm going to unplug everything, deactivate it. So it's no more working. Normally, the table are empty, and if I say okay, this is rag, I will delete them from rag and rag. So I'm starting from a fresh and clean stuff, and right here, so the plugin doesn't work anymore. So normally, yeah, you see I have a shortcut, so nothing is working. So basically what we're going to do is that we're going to take this bridge stuff and I'm going to export it. So what I have to do is to make these bridge exports. So you see I have these data that are right here. So this is this one I'm going to use. So I would say 4, and the one I'm going to use is YouTube. So this is the command I'm going through, and I'm going to implement it right here. So you have, I would say 4 instance. So he's gonna go through this stuff and do all what I need to output inside. You see, I've made a lot of experimentation. So normally I should have a plugin, a file. Okay, so here we go. We have YouTube 4, and this one I can send it through my YouTube. So I'm going to redo the stuff, activate it. You see, normally you should have this. This is still 0. I should see the table rag reappear. Okay, they are empty, both of them. Okay, so the rag is going to store the semantic search that I need for my rag, and this is result, which is I'm using the cache stuff. And normally I should have my extended right here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to import directly my stuff. Okay, so I can even clear, but I have it manually. So this time I'm going to go through, that should be right here. If I know this one, this is simple, this is data, this is bridge, and I'm going to take this one. So it's going to import it, and you have 74 index that have been, right? If I do now a research, you see, if I do that, I should be able to have the same thing that I have, for instance, right here, augmented journalism, ecological. So I've transferred the intelligence from my RAG inside my stuff. So the post should be plenty, and also I have the semantic search that I store, meaning that I can, for instance, if I have augmented, I should have a new, you see, there's no cache for the moment. See, there's 14 cache. So what is going to happen, I've created a kind of cache, meaning that every time there's a new query, there's a cache that is working, okay? And is answering by the cache, okay? So for instance, everything that is similar should help me to find out. So it means that I have a new search that is based on the RAG that was previously in the first video, and I've taken it, I've used it, and I can come back to the standard search, meaning that it will go through the search of WordPress, but I have enabled a semantic search based on the RAG work, okay? So that was the idea. I think I'm done. So I hope you like my work. If you like my work, you can subscribe to my YouTube account, and you can share also, you can have access to all my stuff on my GitHub account. And thank you for watching. I hope you will like my work. See you then. Bye bye.